With the Sibrwd app, I was actually informed that of it. I'm not an excellent Welsh speaker myself, so to me it will really benefit to have the translation going through and the description of these marketplace as well.
So we've just used the Sibrwd app for the very first time. We got to see a little dress rehearsal of a Cylch, which is going to be here in the Theatr next week with Theatr Genedlaethol Cymru, and we will have these available, so if you don't have the app downloaded on your phone and your own earphones with you, then these will be available at the box office to borrow, or otherwise you can just download it to your phone anyway. And basically you get to have a commentary either through your ear, or you just get to have it on the phone as well, like a written commentary, step by step as it goes through the play, so you can follow what's going on in English if Welsh is not your first language, or even if you're hard of hearing and you just want to have a bit of extra commentary going on. So yeah, and it's so easy, it doesn't interfere with the play or your experience of it, I found anyway, and I really recommend picking one of these up if Welsh is not your first language and you want to enjoy the play.